Hello, today we will guide you through how to screen capture a Zoom meeting. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to start recording a Zoom meeting directly from the Zoom app. This is a simple process, and once you know where to look, it only takes a moment to begin capturing your meeting. Before you start, make sure you're already signed into Zoom and that you have permission to record the meeting if needed. Begin by opening the Zoom app on your device. Once the app is open, take a moment to confirm that everything is loaded properly and that you're on the main Zoom screen. If Zoom takes a few seconds to connect, that's completely normal. Next, open your sample meeting. This can be any meeting you're using for practice or demonstration purposes. Once the meeting opens, wait until you're fully inside the meeting interface. It's important to be in the active meeting window before looking for the recording controls, since those options won't appear the same way outside of a live session. After the meeting is open, look toward the bottom of the Zoom window for the toolbar. On that toolbar, click the three-dot menu. This menu is often used to reveal additional meeting options that may not be visible right away. If your Zoom window is small or your screen layout is different, some controls may be grouped there to save space, so this is a common place to find extra actions. When the menu opens, click on Record. This tells Zoom that you want to use the recording feature for the current meeting. Depending on your Zoom settings, you may see different recording choices, but for this process, simply select the record option that appears. Finally, click the record button to start capturing the meeting. Once you do this, Zoom will begin recording your session. In many cases, you'll notice a recording indicator appear in the meeting window, which helps confirm that the capture has started successfully. It's a good idea to glance at that indicator so you know the meeting is being recorded before continuing. That's all it takes to screen capture a Zoom meeting. If you're practicing this for the first time, doing a quick test recording can help you confirm that everything is working as expected. Thanks for following along, and you're now ready to start capturing your Zoom meetings with confidence.